Hello everyone, Ya'ahobu. I am Nilman. I received my bachelor's degree from the University of Nias last year in 2023. And as an alumnus, I'm very happy, lucky, and proud that I was taking English education study program to further my career and my personal growth. If I hadn't chosen it, I would probably gonna regret it. Furthermore, there are three primary reasons why do we have to study in English education study program. First, qualified lectures. All the lectures in English education study program at the University of Nias are really amazing. They are incredible and they are multi-talented. They always shock every student in the university to have both soft skill and hard skill. They are care, they always support every student's skill and always give more opportunities to explore something new. And also the teaching style are really enjoyable and fun. Second of all, that is excellent personal development. English education study program always provides unique activities. For example, like the competitions. You know what? One of the brightest study program at the University of Nias, that is English education study program. Because of the achievement of the students and also the English education study program. There's so many achievements of the student, for example. One of the local, regional, even though national. And the last one, that is superior quality of the subject. There's so many kinds of the subject in English education study program that provides for students. And I believe those subjects are really important for futures because those subjects are really important and it gives you the best understanding about the education. And especially become as an English teacher, that give you more opportunities, give you more understanding how to be a professional English teacher in the future. So I believe that studying in English education study program always opens huge opportunities for everyone. Now I'm currently teaching in one of elementary school in Gunung Stoli and also the English course. Moreover, I am as a tour guide and interpreter, handling guests from different places, different countries, both of the local and overseas. So everyone, make sure you study at the University of Nias and take English education study program. Grab your chair and join English education study program. My honor to my beloved lecturers, my university. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye.